Hello, this is a surprise for you. You are going to listen to your story in English. Let's go. It started like this. Many years ago, in a very distant country, there was a beautiful and magic forest with a pretty princess. There was an enchanted house with trees in a beautiful garden. In this house there was a princess named Leia, her mommy and her daddy. She was very pretty and brave, and she loved to take care of the garden and the flowers. The garden was wonderful with colored flowers, animals, and dwarfs. One day the princess was strolling around the house in the garden and realized that she had magic power. So she spreads her magic everywhere. After spreading her magic power away, the animals and dwarfs became real and they started to talk. The dwarfs decided to have a meeting with the animals. Everybody wanted to speak at the same time. The dwarfs invited the cat, the rabbit, the ladybug, the butterfly, the raccoon, and the cricket. They were very excited and started to talk. The butterfly wanted to give the flowers more perfume and shiny colors. The raccoon was afraid and hesitated. The cricket liked the idea and they started the organization. The dwarfs were worried about the plan. The princess might not like. The cricket was like, "Crit, crit, let's go to work." They were in a hurry, working very fast. They changed everything. The garden was completely different. When the princess arrived in the garden, she soon realized that it was different. She loved the new garden and started to tell everyone about it. She was hopping happily through the way when she met a prince on a red dragon. It was love at first sight. They fell in love and got married. Guess where? In the garden. Everybody was so happy, and the garden was so beautiful with the birds and the flowers. The prince and the princess were happily forever, and they always visit the garden because of the good memories. That's all for today. Bye bye.